Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. Now Arsenal have just drawn 2-2 to Man City and this is going to be a match review. I hope you all do enjoy this video. Before we get started, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Now honestly, my initial thoughts, I'm just so devastated that it feels like a loss now because we were so close to winning against Man City with 10 men and we've not been able to do it, and I feel gutted, but I also feel like we couldn't have done any more. Defensively we did amazing as a team to defend that well for so long. I mean, the second half I knew it would be a bit of a different half considering Trossard got sent off, and for me that Trossard sending off for me, I think if I'm right in saying it was for him kicking a ball, and if that is the letter of the rules then obviously, you know, he should be sent off for that. It feels like a bit of an annoying red card, to be honest with you, and we could have done so much better than that. If he stayed on, it would have been a different game. Probably we would have attacked a lot more. But I know when the second half came, Ben White came on, Saka went off. I get why Arteta wanted to go defensive, to be honest with you, because against Man City we knew they were going to go out for it. They were going to attack a lot. So considering the circumstances, we were 10 men. You know, a draw isn't the worst result, but I think a lot of us knew we were so close to doing it. It feels really devastating that we've not got all those 3 points because we would have been top of the table, and yeah, I feel gutted. But while I'm recording this, it's been probably half an hour since the game's finished, so I feel quite, you know, happy to reflect on it now and see the positives from it. And you know what, we're really managing well without our injuries with Odegaard, and obviously for me I've got to speak like Calafiori goal because that was absolutely incredible. Like, I'm just speechless. When I saw that go in, I was like blown away. That was such an incredible goal. So proud of him as well. Having that chance to play, scoring an incredible goal, and I hope we can see more of that from him throughout the season. I wanted to touch on Haaland's first goal. Like, for me, like, we knew when Haaland is 1v1 with the keeper, he's gonna score in that moment. Defensively, we could have done better, if I'm being honest. But it all happened so fast, and Haaland, he's amazing. We knew he was going to score. But you know, we did quite well actually to keep him quiet in the game after that. Defensively, we have been amazing today. So, you know, I do feel very proud of the team. It's just a real shame we didn't win because we were like a minute away from doing it. But I sort of wondered how long could we hold off for before they were going to score. So I completely get that too. But you know what? We've started off the season really well. We've not lost a game yet. Listen, we got 4 points from Spurs and Man City, and you know that is a positive thing to, you know, to take out of this. And yeah, we did so well today. I feel so proud of the team. But obviously, knowing we got a red card, we had a lot of yellow cards too. I noticed that. I know Lewis Skelly got a yellow card, which was absolutely crazy considering he hadn't even played any minutes yet. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. A point we'll take. And yeah, well, you know, we've got the game out of the way away at Etihad. It's done now and it's over with. So yeah, I feel really proud of the team. I know we've got Bolton coming up next, so hopefully that'll be a bit more of an easy game for us. We can rotate some of the players, hopefully see some of the young players coming in. But yeah, I'm happy, you know, really proud of the team. That's sort of my overall feeling that I have right now. Obviously I'm just so annoyed we didn't obviously get anything from the game, a win. But guys, I hope you did enjoy my review today. I hope you're doing well. I hope you all, yeah, have enjoyed what I've had to say. Please comment down below your thoughts as well. And yeah, please don't forget to smash the like button for me. Do subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon.